Almost there.
From the most mysterious regions of uncharted Asia, I give you
Come on, girls, quick,
the
quick.
Chinese cabinet of metamorphosis. Utilizing psychic vibrations, I shall select the perfect volunteer.
Oh, pick me! Oh, no! Come on, I'm asking you with my brain.
Aha! Why, Your Majesty.
Me?
No, Thumper, down. Let her go. Maybe you'll saw her in half.
As you ascend the dung beetle to the unknown, put your trust in the mysteries that are beyond mere mortal comprehension.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
Blueberries ready?
I call upon the ancient Szechuan spirits to inhabit the body of our volunteer.
No, just stay in there, Your Majesty.
Transformation. Transformation. Transformation.
Wow, man, he's getting good.
Not now.
If it rains, that bird'll get ripped to shreds.
Shh.
And now, insectus transformitus.
Ready.
Thank you.
That's the signal. That's the signal. This is it, girls. Get ready to roll.
It's stuck.
That was amazing. I have no... How did they do that? I have no idea where she went.